Best 10 automotive lights under $50 for 2023 on Amazon. Number 1. Nilight Motorcycle LED Pods. Nilight, a renowned brand in the automotive industry, has once again demonstrated its commitment to excellence with the motorcycle LED pods. This versatile product is suitable for a variety of vehicles, including ATVs, motorcycles, SUVs, trucks, and tractors, making it a valuable addition to any enthusiast's collection. One of the standout features of the Nilight motorcycle LED pods is its exceptional waterproof design. This critical attribute ensures that the pods can withstand the harshest environmental conditions, providing peace of mind to users who demand durability and reliability from their automotive accessories. Furthermore, the pods boast a polycarbonate lens material, known for its exceptional strength and resistance to impact. This quality construction not only enhances the longevity of the product, but also ensures optimal illumination with minimal risk of damage.
Number 2. Floodlight LED Off-Road Fog Light. The Floodlight LED Off-Road Fog Light is its exceptional waterproof capability, ensuring optimal performance even in challenging weather conditions. This is particularly beneficial for off-road enthusiasts who often encounter unpredictable environments. Furthermore, the auto part position of this light, situated on the right side of the vehicle, ensures proper illumination and visibility for both the driver and surrounding traffic. Clever positioning of the light source is crucial for maintaining safety standards, and Nilight has delivered on this aspect. The lens color of this floodlight is clear, allowing for maximum brightness and clarity, while the polycarbonate lens material ensures robust durability and resistance to impact. This combination of features provides reassurance to vehicle owners, knowing that the product is built to withstand the rigors of off-road adventures. In conclusion, the Floodlight LED Off-Road Fog Light.
Number 3. Philips Automotive Lighting H11 Night Guide. The Philips Automotive Lighting H11 Night Guide is a commendable addition to the realm of automotive lighting. Manufactured by Philips, a renowned brand in the industry, this model, bearing the item number H11, delivers on the promise of enhanced illumination and superior performance. Weighing a mere 2.39 ounces and measuring 5.04 into 1.4.
Number 4. Nilight Side Shooter LED Pods. The Nilight Side Shooter LED pods are an impressive addition to any vehicle, offering a powerful and reliable lighting solution for various applications. The sleek black design adds a touch of modern style, while the clear polycarbonate lens ensures optimal visibility and durability. The waterproof feature further enhances the practicality of these LED pods, making them suitable for use in diverse outdoor conditions. One of the standout features of the Nilight Side Shooter LED pods is their compact dimensions, measuring at 3.8 into 3.1 into 7 inches. Despite their small size, these pods deliver an impressive level of brightness, illuminating the surrounding area effectively. The installation process is straightforward, and the build quality is commendable. These LED pods offer a perfect balance of form and functionality, ensuring that they not only enhance the aesthetics of the vehicle, but also deliver reliable performance.
Number 5. Nilight LED Light Bar. The Nilight LED light bar is a game changer when it comes to illuminating any space, whether it's for off-road driving, work, or simply enhancing the look of your vehicle. Crafted with high-quality materials and boasting a sleek, rectangular shape, this light bar is designed to deliver powerful and efficient performance. The aluminum construction not only ensures durability, but also provides excellent heat dissipation, making it suitable for various challenging environments. The painted finish exudes a professional and polished look, adding a touch of style to any vehicle. The LED light source is the standout feature of this product, offering bright and clear white light that significantly improves visibility in low-light conditions. Whether you're navigating rough terrain or working in dimly lit areas, the superior illumination provided by the Nilight LED light bar enhances safety and efficiency. The Nilight LED light bar is a top-quality product.
Number 6. Philips Automotive Lighting H11. The Philips Automotive Lighting H11 is a top-quality headlight that sets the standard for brightness, longevity, and reliability. As an essential component of vehicle safety and performance, This product is designed to meet the highest standards of quality and functionality. One of the standout features of the Philips Automotive Lighting H11 is its exceptional brightness, which significantly improves visibility on the road, especially during nighttime driving or in adverse weather conditions. The crisp white light emitted by this headlight not only enhances clarity, but also contributes to an overall safer driving experience. Furthermore, its long-lasting performance ensures that drivers can rely on consistent illumination over an extended lifespan, reducing the need for frequent replacements. This, in turn, leads to cost savings and peace of mind for vehicle owners. The specific fit and vehicle-specific design of the Philips Automotive.
Number 7. Philips Automotive Lighting 9006XS. The Philips 9006XS Night Guide Platinum Upgrade Headlight Bulb, Pack of 2, is a product that aims to enhance driving visibility and safety during nighttime and low-light conditions. Manufactured by Philips Automotive Lighting, a reputable brand known for its quality automotive lighting solutions, this headlight bulb is designed to provide an improved lighting experience for drivers. With a focus on performance and longevity, the 9006XS Night Guide Platinum bulbs offer a reliable lighting solution for vehicles. The halogen bulb type ensures a bright and clear light.
Number 8. Go ACC Truck Bed Light Strip. The Go ACC Truck Bed Light Strip offers a versatile and practical solution for illuminating your truck bed, providing enhanced visibility and convenience during nighttime loading and unloading activities. Designed with two 60-inch white light strips, this product comes complete with a switch wiring kit, mounting hardware, and an extension wire kit, making it easy to install and customize according to your specific needs. The waterproof feature ensures durability and reliability, even in challenging weather conditions. While
Number 9. Philips Automotive Lighting 9008. The Philips Automotive Lighting 9008 is a reliable and high-quality lighting solution designed to enhance your vehicle's visibility and safety on the road. With its clear color and vehicle-specific fit, this product offers a seamless and efficient installation process, ensuring a precise fit for your vehicle's right auto part position. As an experienced product marketer.
Number 10. Philips Automotive Lighting H7. The Philips H7 automotive bulb is a popular choice among car enthusiasts and everyday drivers seeking reliable and efficient lighting for their vehicles. Known for its superior brightness and durability, the H7 bulb is a halogen-based option that promises to enhance visibility on the road. One of the standout features of the Philips H7 bulb is its impressive brightness. With a color temperature of around 3,500 K, the bulb produces a crisp white light that closely mimics natural daylight. This not only provides better visibility during nighttime driving, but also helps reduce eye strain and fatigue. The increased brightness contributes to an enhanced field of vision, making it easier for drivers to spot potential hazards and obstacles on the road.